Hi, this is Emilee of Emilee's Paper Caper. I'm here for Magical Masterboards. The first and third Wednesdays of each month, we share our masterboard creations. This is an open collaboration hosted by Tony's Magical Arts and Crafts and Gwen the Trash Witch. Today I have a pile of scraps, and a lot of them are triangles because I've been making paper bows, and creating these makes for a lot of triangles. I've been using some flat back decorations to finish them off. Many of them came in a prize package from Penny's Crafty Creations. And before I do my masterboard, I wanted to show you how easy it is to make these paper bows. I think they would be really cute on an envelope, on a scrapbook page, on a present. Great way to use paper scraps. A lot of these are origami papers. You start with a square. This one is about 3 3/4 by 3 3/4. And the first thing you do is you fold on the diagonal. And then you open it and you fold on the other diagonal. Then you take your scissors and you're going to cut on these folds until you're maybe a 1/4 inch or a 1/2 inch from the center. And then you're going to fold two opposites, and you're just going to cut a little curve out of both of them, just like that. Next, you want to cut 2 triangles off. This is going to become the center of your bow. See, that's why I have so many triangles. And then for the tails of your bow, you're going to cut like that. So then I want to have a blue bow. Put the blue side down, and we need a little bit of glue. And you want to take those those corners and just hold them in the center until that glue sets. I'm using a pretty quick setting glue. It's a Nouveau glue. You probably could use any kind of glue, but this glue sets pretty quickly. Okay, then you're gonna fold it over, and these become the tails. I like to kind of crisscross them. See how I did that? I brought one down there and one down there. Now you can go ahead and put a little dot of glue under there, but you don't need much at all. I just put a tiny spot of glue. And then you can turn it over again, and you can bring the center of your bow around. And then you can cut it off so that it doesn't have, you don't want it to be too big. And there is your beautiful paper bow. I found a pretty blue star in this flat back mix from Penny. I've been using it a lot. I love it. There we go. There's our paper bow. So that's why I have so many triangle scraps. It's just push these scraps aside. I pulled a piece of paper out of my composition book. This is my composition book full of Masterboards, just lots of them. But it's so full now, I've been pulling the pages out. We have 25-cent school glue for this. A lot of the bows that I have here were made with double-sided origami paper. And it's fun now that I'm using these paper scraps to pick which side of the paper I want to use for the masterboard. This size bow was made with a 6x6 paper, and this was about 2 3/4 by 2 3/4. This one, I think, was also a 6x6. It's still drying, but there is the masterboard. Let me know what you think about the masterboard and the paper bow idea. Keep on stamping, scrapping, and paper crafting.